Let's move now to the models. We have the first one. Let's see what we have here. Inside the models, we have the first one, which is attendance. So here we need the field level array. So let's add a field level array to avoid the mass assignment. Field level, and we have here, so we need to provide fields. So we have employee ID, and we have also, so we have the date. What else we need? We need to check in and check out. So check out. So what else we need? So we need now the relationships. So we have the first one, or we have only one here. So only one, which is the employee. And each each attendance will belongs to an employee. And also we need to load the relationships, to load the relationships automatically. So since Laravel 12.8, so you can, so instead of using, for example, when you get the employees like this, so when you get, for example, the employee, and you can use with, and with you can here add the relationships that you want, for example, department and position and so on. So instead of doing it like this, so now you can define only one function inside your model, and this function you can give it, or you can use the scope and add with the relationship auto loading. So now you can auto load, so auto loading, so lowercase auto loading. So now you can auto load your relationships instead of using with inside your controller. So each time you want to get the relationship. Okay, so for the eager loading, so here we have the query, and we return the query, and query we can now use with here inside our model, and here we have the relationship, which is employee. So we have only one here inside this model. Okay, so scope with the relationship auto loading. Okay, so this is, so as I told you, so since Laravel 12.8, so if you are using version less than 12.8, so you can use with the inside controller. Okay, so when we get the attendance, so we will add controller later. So next, what we have the department. So let's do something. Let's copy from here and paste here. So since we will use the same thing, so now let's paste here. So here we have only one field, which is the name. So let's remove others and keep only the name. And we have a relationship, which is employees, which is the plural. So each department has many, or one or many. So here I think I forgot to return. So let's go to the attendance. So here we are not returning. So let's add the return. So I just noticed it. So here we return, and here we return. Okay, so we have the name, as I said, we have employees. So each department has one or more employees. And we have the auto loading of the relationship, so you can change it to employees. So next, let's copy and move to the next. So the next is employee. So here we have more fields. So we have the first name. So let's copy and paste. So what else we have? We have the last name. We have the email, we have the phone, we have, so what else? We have the address, we have the image, What else we have? We have status. So what else we need? Let's copy and paste. So we have salary. And what else we have? So we have salary. We have the department ID and the position ID. So let's see what else. So we have, I think we have a date of birth. And we need another one, which is the final one. I think it's the hire date. So I think that's also, you have the first name, the last name, we have the email, the phone, the address, the image, the salary, so the status, the department ID, the position ID, the date of birth, and the date or the hire date. So next we have the relationships. So we have the department, and each employee will belongs to, so will belongs to a department, department. And what else we need? So we need another one for the position. So let's copy from here and paste, and we need position. And let's change it here also to the position. So next, what we need also another one for the attendance. So here we have the position, and for the attendance, so the user here has many attendance. So let's change it to attendance. And what else we need? We need another one for the holidays requests. So the user will have many holiday requests. And finally, we load or we auto-load the relationships. So here we need an array. So since we have many relationships, so we have here holidays. What else? Attendance. I think let's make it plural here. Attendances. Okay. So I think it's, or let's make it only singular. So attendance. So here attendance. I think it's attendance like this. What else we need? So what we have here, so we have the position and the department. So let's bring the department and the position. Okay, so now we have all the relationships. So next, what we have, so let's first copy. So let's copy from here and paste inside next, which is the holiday. So here let's remove this and paste. So what we have here, so we need employee ID, and we need also notes. So inside the holiday, so we have notes, we have start date, and so we have start date and end dates. And we are done. Let's remove these fields. So we have only 4, or we have 5. So I forgot status, which is the status of the holiday. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what else we have? So this holiday will belong to an employee. And let's remove this P from here. So employee, and what else we need? So we need to load the relationship. So let's remove all of this. And we have only one, so no need to add array. So we can add only this one that we have here. So that's all. Let's copy from here and move to our final one, which is the position. So paste here. So let's see what we have here. So we have only one field. which is the name of the position, and its position has many employees. So here employee, and I think that's all. And we need the relationship here, so we need the S. Okay, so that's all for this model, which is the position, and that's all for our models. So now we have done with the model relationships, or the models relationships. So next, what we need to do, we need now to add we need to add the front end and display our we need to display our dashboard first, and next we need to display employees, attendances, and the holidays requests. Okay, so let's start first with the dashboard.